Hello guys, welcome back to my how-to channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Hamster Kombat icon not showing in Tonkeeper Wallet. You have successfully connected your Hamster Kombat to your Ton wallet, but the visual representation of this connection, the Hamster Kombat icon is not appearing in your Tonkeeper Wallet. As you can see right here, when I go to airdrop it, it shows that my Ton wallet is connected, but if I go over to my Tonkeeper, it doesn't reflect connection. Let's go to the browser and check connected apps. As you can see, nothing is showing up here. So to fix Hamster Kombat icon not showing in Tonkeeper Wallet, the first thing you need to do is check if you need to update your Tonkeeper app. Head over to your Google Play Store or App Store and search for Tonkeeper. Then update it. Then open the app and leave it open. Now go back to your Hamster Kombat. Disconnect your Tonkeeper. Click on this X sign and confirm by clicking yes. Reconnect it by clicking connect and selecting connect to your Ton wallet. Choose Tonkeeper and proceed. Make sure your notification is enabled. Enter your passcode as usual to complete the connection. Now your Tonkeeper wallet is reconnected to Hamster Kombat. Now go back to your Tonkeeper. Go to the browser and click on connected. As you can see, Hamster Kombat icon is now showing up here, which means it is successfully connected, and this is how to fix Hamster Kombat icon not showing in Tonkeeper Wallet. So that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe to my how-to channel.